And the next story may explain why that fear it is spreading so rapidly. Coming back to the layoff world, Indian workers are filmed to train AI. That's right, a disturbing claim is now spreading online that footage of Indian factory workers is being captured and used to train artificial intelligence powered robots for global technology companies. According to reports, workers performing repetitive tasks such as sorting, packing, assembling, or moving the objects, they are allegedly being recorded so that AI system can study human motion pattern and learn industrial behavior. Now, imagine the symbolism of this moment here. Workers may unknowingly be helping train the companies or machines that could eventually replace their own jobs. And that is why this story is triggering fear across manufacturing and technology sector worldwide. Because AI companies are racing to build robots who are capable of operating warehouses, factories, logistics system with very minimal human supervision. Well, to teach the robots how humans move efficiently, companies require a lot of amount of real-world moment data. And countries like India, with huge manufacturing workforce, they become valuable source of training footage, right? Here, critics say that this raises a lot of ethical concern. Well, were workers fully informed about this? Did they truly had the consent? Who owes the data generated from human labor? And if automation destroy millions of jobs later, who benefits financially from the data workers unknowingly helped create? This is the darker side of AI revolution that many people rarely discuss publicly. Well, for years, automation, it mainly threatened factory machinery jobs, right? Now, AI threaten both physical labors and office work simultaneously. White collar workers, they fear software automation, while blue collar workers fear robotics. And for countries like India, where millions depend on manufacturing and service sector employment, the long-term consequences could be enormous. A US-based recruiter has now revealed something deeply disturbing about modern corporate culture. Good performance may no longer protect employees from the layoffs. That's right, for decades, workers were taught a very simple formula here. Work hard, stay loyal, deliver result, and your career, it will remain secure. But according to recruiter Shreya Mehta, modern layoffs, they do not work like that anymore. Well, she warned the employees that layoffs are often planned very quietly for weeks and even months before the public announcement arrives. And by the time workers do realize what is happening, leadership has usually already finalized the decision here. Well, the warning signs, they are very subtle, but they are chilling. While managers suddenly becoming unusually polite, unexpected skip level meetings appearing on calendars, projects being reprioritized, hiring freezes inside specific teams, and executives quietly leaving without replacement. Well, do you remember that vogue words like streamlining or high impact reconstructing starting to appear in the meetings? Here, employees they often ignore all these signals because they believe that strong performance rating will save them. But Mehta, she says that the assumption it is dangerously outdated. Her most brutal line it shocked social media. Layoffs are not performance reviews. They are spreadsheet exercise. Can you think how psychologically devastating that statement really is? A worker may spend years sacrificing his personal life for the company, missing vacation, working weekends, staying online at midnight, taking stress home every single day, and then suddenly, one reconstructing decision wipes out entire teams regardless of their loyalty or their performance. And this fear, it is even more intense for Indian workers in America because for many immigrants, losing a job is not only a financial crisis anymore. It can become an immigration emergency for them. Well, the pressure it becomes unbearable. While many Indian professionals already live under constant anxiety due to H-1B dependency, green card backlogs, and family obligations. Well, their parents, they depend on them financially. Children study in American schools. Mortgages, insurance, and visa timeline, it becomes interconnected. So when layoffs begin, workers do not simply fear unemployment. They fear losing the entire life that they spent years building abroad. And that fear, it is now forcing many Indians to ask a very difficult question that would have sounded shocking 10 years ago. Is moving to America still worth it anymore?